Well, as we celebrate Women's History Month, we introduce you to a blacksmith from Brooklyn. Marsha Trattner is forging a new path for female artisans in a career that dates back centuries. She runs SheWeld, a studio based in Red Hook, Brooklyn, and she shared her story with Eyewitness News.
Hi, I'm Marsha Trattner. I'm a blacksmith in Brooklyn, New York. We're in Red Hook, Brooklyn, at my studio, which is called SheWeld. In fact, the space that we're in right now is a blacksmith shop from the 1800s. It's literally hit the iron while it's hot. You can transform it just by heating it up and hammering on it. It's like a natural growth. The forms often mimic nature as well. So blacksmith is a very physical thing, but it's very relaxing in a strange way, and I think that's because it's very much in the moment, and you can see the results right away. You really feel the maker's hand in it. You'll get details that you really wouldn't get otherwise. I've made projects through Department of Sanitation. I made a bunch of litter bins. I've made staircase banisters, home goods and sort of tableware, cookware, jewelry, really kind of a whole range of things. There is historical precedent for women working in the blacksmithing field. For instance, in the early 1900s, there were a group of women in England that were chain makers, and not just like chain, like little chain, like massive chain that would be used in the shipyards.
When I started out, I knew one female blacksmith, but now there's quite a few, and there's a really great community.
It's a lot more accessible for women to get involved with it. Plus, there is a lot more support. I feel grateful that I can still be able to do this work here in the city. I'm grateful that I can have the kind of space where I can do that. I just didn't know I'd be so entranced by it.
So great to see. And there's still much more news ahead. Eyewitness News at 5 begins right now.